Did you know cats can make over 100 different sounds? Let's dive into the world of feline communication. From the soothing purr when they're happy and relaxed, to the hiss that warns others to back off. Cats have a sound for every mood. Ever heard your cat chirp at birds? That's their hunting instinct kicking in. And of course, the classic meow. Hey, use this to communicate with us, whether they want food, attention, or just a little chat. With over 100 unique sounds in their vocabulary, cats sure know how to express themselves. Curious about more cat facts? Hit subscribe and stay tuned.